Hi everybody and welcome to TrueWants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. Now, a lot of times when this channel is very blessed to be able to get some PR packages from brands that I not only enjoy, but you guys also have access to, not only directly from their website, but also via IPSY. And Pinky B, if you watch any of my Get Ready With Me's or my Makeup of the Days, I love being able to share about her products because I personally enjoy them. And then when I'm able to access them through the shop or through my bags, I'm always excited to have the opportunity to share them with you, as well as during my spoiler videos when we get that information that I'm able to share and find. I love being able to share that with you as well. But when a PR box arrives from this brand in particular, Pinky B Beauty, and it's something that is going to be in an upcoming June extra box. I think this is the first time her products are going to be in the extra. So if you're like me and you also get the glam bag, you've probably have had the opportunity to try some of her products. Some of my favorites are her lip products as well as her eye gels that are just fantastic. They can go in the waterline and they stay there. Just beautiful, beautiful products. And she's a small business that is out of Florida, and she works with her husband, and a personality that if you're ever feeling down or you just need a pick-me-up, all you got to do is watch her on Instagram. Her love of life and creating products just comes through her Instagram with flying colors. It is just a treat to be able to follow her there. But when you get the opportunity to actually try her products, you will be transcended because you can feel the love and the attention to detail that goes into her products as well. So I said to myself, instead of just putting this up on my Instagram, my name there, of course, is TrueWants with the number 2, which is where a lot of PR, I take the pictures and I send them over there. But when I can sit down and share with you an unboxing of a PR that when she sends it, it is focused on the product that she is going to be launching. Now, this is the first time that I'm getting a sneak peek in person, up close, where I can share it with you guys of what is going to be coming in June. Normally, she'll send me packages of, if she gets the gel eyeliners or the lip products, all of those are usually after the fact. And a lot of times I've already gotten them in my paid versions or in the PR that I get from IPSY. So getting this now ahead of time, I had to sit down and film this for you guys along the ride of this channel has always been about sharing information. So this is what this is going to be. So I'm going to open this up on camera so you guys can see. And you know that when I do my spoiler videos, it's not just what IPSY sends down officially, which is like literally once a month, they'll send a few pictures. But if you follow me here at TrueWants on YouTube, I always try to source through other ways and other platforms to be able to bring you some of that information. And ironically, I saw this through a video that was on an IPSY video many months ago, that they were saying things that were going to be coming in the future. And of course, I share this with you. Now, some of these we have already seen, but if you can focus on that packaging right there, that said Pinky B Beauty on it. So I sent her a DM and I said to her, I spy this. So she gave a little shush emoji, and then that was that. Also, we know in the future, it looks like we're going to have another palette from Moonslice, but we definitely saw the Do already and others. So this is what I know, that I follow her on Instagram. So I know that this literally just launched this Memorial Day weekend on her website alone. These little decals are what she's all about. She's got that fantastic pink hair. She's just, like I said, a personality that is just amazing. And if you see the writing down here, it's how she speaks. She goes, "We love you so much." That is what she says in all of her videos. It is just amazing. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to open this up on camera so you guys would be able to see everything. So in the inside here on the top, it says, "We hope you love her as much as we do," and she signed it Pinky B. This is the picture of the product that I just showed you. I got the sneak peek months ago about this. So this is her launch picture that she's going to be doing. And then of course, even her tissue paper that she puts inside, I'm hoping the camera is able to pick up some of the actual stars that are in here. And then underneath, I haven't opened up any of this, so we're doing this on camera. She's got her sprinklies, and it looks like we have an actual bag inside here as well. So I'm gonna pull everything out so we can go through everything together. We'll do some swatches. I'll take a picture for my Instagram so you'll be able to see everything there. All right, so give me 1 sec and I'll be right back. Inside all the crinkly, she even has these beautiful stars in here. All right, I just want to share everything because, like I said, she really loves to celebrate everything that she can, and this is just showing you even more that she does. So this is going to be a bronzer palette, and it comes in this cloth bag that you can see the design here. It's the same on both sides. It is lightweight, it has a full zipper, and then this is the inside of the bag here. So that was the first item, and inside the bag, we got a little gift inside here. It says, "Be the light," and then this is the beautiful necklace that has that same design on it as well. And let's just see what it says on here. That it says on the bottom here, it says, "Be the light that you want to see in this world. You are the ray of sunshine. Be strong, be fierce, and never let another dim your spirit." They're saying, "Fear not, for God is with you." And this is the actual back of it here, but this is the beautiful necklace. That is a beautiful gift that she sent inside this package. Then of course, everything is packaged, and it is so beautiful that everything she does, she wants to make sure that your experience when you receive a package from her, be it if you are getting PR or you are getting a box from her that you order on the website, you will see that all of the love and the attention to detail, so that when you get your actual product, you will see that it comes always packaged really, really beautifully, so that your experience will not be dimmed when you get it. So everything was sent in that you saw had the extra packaging, which is really thick, so that hopefully everything inside arrives the way that it left her warehouse. So this one is what she's calling the hot commodity. They're saying here, this is, again, you see Pinky Bee here. This is going to have 4 shades to it. There's going to be the liquid gold. They're saying these are all powdered bronzers. The next one is going to be Cash Flow, then Glow Token, and then Top Tier. Those are the 4 shades that are going to be in here. Here is some of the ingredients that are on the back of the packaging here, and where things are distributed and made should be on the back of this packaging as well. So that is what it looks like here. And now we're going to open her up. So I'm going to pause you for a sec, and we're going to see what it looks like inside. Okay, and here is the product up close. So you see that it is a heavy duty plastic. And then it says it is the bronzer palette on the top here. And then of course the hot commodity with Pinky Bee Beauty. And then on the other side here, you're seeing again the shades that are on here. And that you're seeing it's cruelty free, and all of that information is here. When you open it up, there is a full mirror, and if you want to be able to see the mirror, all you have to do is peel off from here and you will see the full mirror. Then of course you're seeing the details here, which is why I like to film this way up close to the camera. So we're going to see the colors as close up as we can, as well as those little details that you're seeing in the bottom of each one of the pans is that same design that she had on the bag, as well as on that beautiful necklace that she sent over as well. Now, what my understanding is in reference to these, because I went to her website to be able to share a little bit more information. This on her website currently is $29, and it says, "Turn up the heat and glow like a total hot commodity that you are." This is an amazing, luxurious 4-pan bronzer palette that delivers a smooth, buildable bronze for every complexion, from sun-kissed warmth to that rich, radiant depth. As I mentioned, the liquid gold is the first one here, which is a warm, radiant golden bronze, which we'll definitely be swatching. Then we have the Cash Flow, a rich caramelized bronze with depth. A Glow Token, a luminous honey-kissed bronze, that is the top tier, and a deep, sultry cocoa bronze, which is the last one here. Now they're saying that this is a flawless finish. It's a buttery smooth formula that blends effortlessly for a natural radiant bronze without streaks. They're saying, or any patchiness as well. They're saying it is buildable and versatile. Now the key to this is you can layer and mix 4 stunning shades to customize your glow, from a soft sun-kissed look to that bold definition. They're also saying they're university flattering, thoughtfully curated the tones that will complement every complexion with warmth and depth. They want us to use a fluffy brush to sweep your favorite shade or mix a few different shades. Always apply it onto the high points of your face, like your forehead, your cheeks, your jawline, for a warmth, sun-kissed finish. And as I mentioned, this is going to be available to us if you're part of IPSY in June in the extra box. But if you are interested in this, you'll be able to access it now on her website as well. So we're going to take some pictures for the Instagram before I put my fingers into this. So give me one sec. Let me get those pictures done, and then I will definitely be swatching these for you guys here. Now, normally I take the pictures before I sit down, but I wanted you to experience the whole opening of the package. So here we go. So starting with the lightest shade, I'm just going to take my finger like this. You can see how beautifully smooth this is. It's so finely milled. There's the second shade, the third shade, and then the deepest shade. Those are the shades right there. Really, really beautiful. It feels really, really nice to the touch. I love bronzers. I'm a bronzer girl, but what I also like is no matter what the actual tone is of your skin, you'll be able to find a shade that will be a good match for you, or you can mix and match. So if you want to use one more as a contour and then a bronzer above, you're good if you're light. These will be the two shades. And of course, the deepest shades. And all of these, you can also probably wear them on your eyes as well. So that is always, so you get full use out of these palettes. And they are going on, as you can see, as I'm swatching them, so smoothly. And that is my pinky, which is my weakest finger. And you can see how much product is still left on my fingers. That is what that looks like there. And what I love about this is you can see the undertones. So the first group here, like I said, that is more for me, that is more light skin toned. But the deep one here, the third one in, has more of a red undertone to it. And that is great for people who have more melanin in their skin. And then of course that deep gorgeous brown that's there. And then as you get tanned a little bit during the summer, you'll be able to keep going. And like she mentioned, you'll be able to mix and match. So if any of these are too dark, you'll be able to lighten it up with the shade that's right before it as well. So I think that is absolutely, absolutely stunning. Now I have so much makeup that I received this month that I have not had the opportunity to share. I did at the beginning of the month with some of the packages that I received at the beginning of the month, but I'm hoping that once I finish my towers and everything for my Instagram, I'll be able to then pull together all of the makeup, like the foundations, everything that I got, including now this bronzer, to have a beautiful full face, and I'll be able to share all that with you as well. But like I said, I have never been disappointed with any of her products, and for me, this is an absolute treat to be able to share it with you guys before the next month is starting. And we know now, because I asked her through an Instagram DM if this was going to be in the box next month or in the bag, and she very generously shared that as well. So this is the beautiful, beautiful package that we received here at TrueWants from Pinky B with her brand new launch. So I'm very, very excited for her. Another, to me, home run product. But if you have not tried her products, you truly are missing out on not only being part of the growth of a really fantastic company, this Pinky B Beauty, because like I said, when you get the opportunity to spotlight some of the smaller brands that don't get a lot of attention, but they put so much attention into their products, you're truly missing out. And that is why I appreciate so much the subscription boxes like IPSY that work closely with these smaller brands so that they're able to invest and specialize in focusing on the creativity and innovations of their products and not worry so much about the distribution of them, because now her products are getting into so many hands like mine as a paying customer through these subscription boxes. And then you start following them on their Instagrams and their websites. And when you get the opportunity to even get more from their shop and be able to share with others through IPSY, you'll also be able to now have access to these products through her website as well. So as always, I appreciate so much when you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it here. But I thank so much to Pinky B for sharing these products here over at TrueWants, where we get the opportunity not only to share it on our Instagram through pictures, but also really sharing you how personable you can see this package arrived here. And I had to open it up on camera to share with you guys as well. All right, so if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, but Pinky is phenomenal at responding and sharing with you guys as well. Definitely check out her website. I think this is a phenomenal price at $29 to get 4 different shades of the quality that I felt on my fingers. It's like so finely milled. I cannot wait to play. And hopefully this is a product that you'll be able to get into your hands as well. And that is it for this video, guys. So everybody, if you enjoy this type of content where we take the time to share more information about the unboxings and swatching of the products, learning a little bit more about the products and how we're able to incorporate them, where we can have access to them, and just learning a little bit more about the brands, the products, always sharing with you the deals. And of course, the spoilers on the subscription boxes that I'm enjoying, and hopefully you are too, then I hope you will choose to be part of the growth of this channel. It's free, it's easy. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button that you see right underneath this video and you are in. It really is that simple. You enjoy the content, the thumbs up, and of course, if you want to push this video out any quicker, all that you got to do is use your hype if you have it available to you, but share with us in the comments that you did. Also, I'd love for you guys to share in the comments down below if you've had the opportunity to try any of the Pinky B Beauty products, from their brushes to their shadows to their lip products to also their eyeliners, all their lip liners, all of those products. Please take the time to share your excitement about them as well, because like I said, I am a paying customer just like you. And this all happened because I was enjoying her products and she seemed to be able to see about it through my Instagram or my channel, and being able to then reach out and ask if I would be open to receiving some of her products. And I 100% said yes, because like I said, I love being able to share with you guys what I'm enjoying, and when you guys have access to them too. I just think that is what this channel is all about. It's about sharing that information. And that's it for this one, guys. So everybody, continue to stay safe and well. Thank you again to Pinky B for sending this over so quickly so we were able to then share it prior to June. And congratulations again for another amazing product launch, and for also being able to share it with so many people through the IPSY family as well. And that is it for this one, guys. So as I say all the time, continue to stay safe and well, and I will see you all soon again in the next one. Take care, everybody, and bye-bye for now.